We really were struggling to have one space to manage our donors and our constituency, to start really getting true metrics on who was giving, why they were giving, the times of years they were giving, where we could nurture them, where we could do a better job in stewarding them. To me, that is the core piece any CRM should provide. It should make it easy for you to create a snapshot of who is your supporter and how do you talk to them so that they know how their support is impacting the people you serve. And that's not what we had access to, and started the research, and that's how we came to DonorDock. We run lean, as most nonprofit organizations do. So I am the director of development, which means that I wear many hats. So the marketing, advertising, donor development, donor awareness, and donor stewardship all play a part in my daily life. When I started, we were actually using Bloomerang for basic CRM. Then we also were using separate one-off. So we Frankensteined all of these together. And as you can imagine, that meant that there was a lot of back-end manual uploading of information to make sure that everything was talking together in our tech stack. I really felt that DonorDock had a lot of the, quote, bells and whistles that we were looking for. It had the individualized donation pages that we could create and stand up. We could run multiple campaigns at once. We didn't have to close one campaign to start another donation campaign. It gave me the ability to manage my donors with the calendar reminders. And I think my favorite thing was really leaning into how you utilize AI to be a true assistant for us. One of the things I really love about DonorDock is my daily reminders from Otto about, hey, you might want to do this follow-up, because I used to have to do that on my own by this very convoluted process of putting a task reminder on a calendar, and now it's a built-in piece of our DonorDock CRM system. And I really find that has changed the way I can manage my time. I'm like literally clicking yes now. Yes, I made the phone call, document it. And for anyone that's in fundraising, we know we need to take the time to go in and update the record. I don't have to block out one single day just to go in and make sure I'm manually updating tasks, which saves me, I'd say, probably 8 to 10 hours a month. It's just such a time saver. I've been really impressed with DonorDock's support overall. The migration piece was actually easier than I thought. They walk right beside you, and I never felt like I was on my own with it. DonorDock has the ability to do some more customization, expand our segmentation. The whole donor journey and donor mapping has really been, for me, a key piece of why we moved into DonorDock and our end-of-year campaign. This is going to be including re-engagement of lapsed donors, nurturing current donors, and bringing in people who have yet to donate that are emerging donors. So the messaging, while similar to all three segments, is going to have some different touch points. And what's really exciting is that we're working on the automation piece of that right now. So the email is going to coincide with the print pieces that are going out, that the phone calls and additional printed materials that we want to send out are going to be a part of that whole campaign. And we're seeing it run through DonorDock. Make all the pieces work together. Even though I'm a team of one, I don't feel like I'm a team of one. I feel like my CRM is actually working for me, not against me. And there were times over the years, there's times that you just feel like your CRM is the necessary evil you have to manage. And I'm really pleased with our decision to use DonorDock. It's a tool in my toolbox versus something I have to manage.